Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I was using the vacuum cleaner, and this bottom part here stopped spinning, so it's a pretty easy fix. Usually the belt comes off, and I'll show you how to fix this. So just go through and take out all the screws here on the bottom so that we can have access in here. So I went ahead and did that, and once you do, you'll find the belt. And in this case, the belt still is connected. If it's broken, you'll need a new one. And that's the motor that it spins on. So it just had come off. So this part of it has a square piece that needs to go back into the track. So make sure as we put this back on that it does line up in there. And so as you can see, we're going to basically just loop the belt back around the motor that it spins on in here. And of course, clean it out the best that you can. And so now when you loop it back around the shaft here, it's going to take a little bit of pressure to pull it up and put it back into place. But once you do, now we can just go back through here. Again, we're making sure that that square lined up over here so that it's in place properly. And with everything back, we can start to put our screws in. This little piece had fallen out too, so just make sure you line this back up. It just goes in on each side, and it's going to go in before the rest of that trim piece. So now we can just line everything up, and it's good as new. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helps if your vacuum cleaner breaks. Sometimes you need to buy a new belt if it's stripping or sliding. And so that's how easy it typically is to fix. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new.